everyone, welcome to Life Made Simply. My name is Nikki. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I organize my entryway and what I keep there. This is a special coronavirus edition. Hi guys, my name is Nikki. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe to join the Simple Life Society. Here I share home and lifestyle tips that help simplify your everyday life. If you like more daily inspiration, you can follow me over on my Instagram, Made Simply Home. So with everything going on right now, having to get groceries, do some shopping for the house is not the same. When we come home, we want to make sure that we do our best to disinfect our everyday items, our groceries, our phones, our masks, everything. And a great way to do that is to get it done when you first get into the house. So that's why I am sharing with you how I now organize my entryway and what things I have there. Pre-pandemic, the entryway is an area where you would put your keys away, put the mail away, take your shoes off, and then just go into the house. And just a note to you guys, I know that not everywhere requires to have masks or have different rules, and it's just different where you live. I live in Washington State, so practicing social distancing, wearing your masks, and just being courteous to others. So I just want to say to you, like, whatever you're comfortable with are the items that you can put in your entryway. These are just the items that I wanted to share that you could consider to put in your entryway. On that note, I just hope you guys are all doing well, and I am just a comment or message away if you guys have any questions or requests for anything, or you just want to chat. So I'm just hoping that these videos that I put out for you somewhat help you during these times, even if it's just a simple tip that you take away from these videos. I just really hope that that's what I can do for you guys. I'm also sharing more tips on madesimplyco.com blog. You can find the link down in the description box, as well as links to all the products that I mentioned. When I first enter the house, I remove my shoes and give them a spray of disinfectant and place them in a bin I have designated for shoes. Remember, when you take off your mask, remove it from the strap behind your ears. I have my entryway table where I lay down my items, and I also give my keys a quick spray of disinfectant before hanging them to dry. This device I have is a UV light portable sterilizer. It uses UV light to sterilize anything. It has a large compartment that can fit your phone, face mask, accessories, and even your car keys. I will have a link down below if you'd like to check out the different kinds. I find that it's so easy to use, and I love that it will quickly disinfect anything in about 6 minutes. Simply put in what you need and press the disinfection button. I love this device for disinfecting my face masks. It also has an aromatherapy feature where you can add an essential oil of your choice. I love adding eucalyptus. It just makes it that much better when you're having to wear a mask when you go out. Next, create a place to hang your face mask. I found these inexpensive removable hooks that you can stick onto your furniture or walls without damaging them. I also personalize each hook with a label, and it is the perfect place to let them hang out after they're disinfected and easy to grab before you head out. In a basket or bin of your choice, create a sanitization station. Mine has some gentle face and hand wipes, a bottle of hand sanitizer with a pump, and some disinfectant spray. Don't forget to create a catch-all basket for everyday items you frequently bring with you and things that you need at your entryway. A handy mail and key holder also keep them off the counter and organized. Once my personal items are sanitized and put away, I move to the kitchen where I take out the items that I brought in. I then use disinfecting wipes to wipe down everything. I keep a bottle of hand sanitizer, disinfecting wipes, and hand lotion on my kitchen island at all times for easy access to them, and after that I give my counters and the entryway table itself a good wipe. If you're having trouble finding hand sanitizer, you can always make your own. It only takes a few ingredients, and I share how I made my own over on my blog, madesimplyco.com. I refilled some sanitizer bottles and made some travel size ones to bring with us. It's a fun project to get your kids involved in. My daughter loved the colors of the aloe vera gel and added some fun stickers to her custom sanitizer travel bottle. Don't forget to also wash your hands with antibacterial hand soap and wipe down frequently touched surfaces throughout the day. My question for you is, what clean habits have you picked up since the pandemic? Leave it as a comment below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some helpful tips. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below answering the question of the day. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!